Hey guys, we're back with bread dough part 2. Sorry that video ended a little bit unexpectedly. So, we're still kneading in the cornstarch and we're going to add a little bit of lotion. Just so it doesn't get too overactivated and that it stays soft and stretchy. So, we are finishing adding in the cornstarch, and you will not know what is going on right now if you don't watch part 1. So go watch that first. It's probably still uploading while we're recording this, but yeah, and so a little bit more of lotion. So we're using vanilla icing by Smile Sparkle Shine, and we added in Crest Complete earlier to deactivate it a bit.
Because beforehand the slime was a little tough and really, really hard to stretch.
Quite a bit tough.
It was literally like a rubber band.
Yeah, a rock. Hard slime. Okay, added in more lotion just to make sure. And then we're going to have to clean up all of this cornstarch on the table.
You can just pick it up with the slime.
Yeah, we used Argo cornstarch, 100% pure. But this video is not
gluten-free.
But this video is not sponsored, so
it's a sponsor without the actual sponsor.
Yeah, kind of. So this video is not sponsored because we're not monetized at all. So, so we're just showing off what we used. So, this is, you just want to finish kneading in the cornstarch, and it should feel like bread dough once you're done, and look like bread dough too. This actually, it's great. It's looking a lot like bread dough here, guys. Glitter bread dough.
Okay, let's see how it smells so far. It smells like mint.
Kind of. It smells like a general mix of smells.
It smells like mint and
like slime.
Looks like we didn't need activator after all.
Yeah, this is our borax activator over here, guys. So, how to make borax activator is warm water with a bit of borax. Don't add too much, don't add too little. I don't really know the measurements for that, but I know there is some measurements for it. I just add in a lot of water and then a bit of borax. But it's not a weak activator because it always works every time. So I add in
half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon.
Half a tablespoon of borax to about 3/4 of a cup of water mug.
Well, it's actually just 8 ounces.
Yeah. So about 6 ounces. 6 ounces of water to
half a tablespoon
of borax, and that works pretty well. Is it feeling like bread dough?
Yep.
Bread dough? Okay, good.
It rips like bread dough, except it might need a little more cornstarch.
Yeah, we don't want to have it rip, though, because it's supposed to be a slime, too, not just a bread dough.
We want it to rip like bread dough.
Well, sort of, but it's also supposed to be stretchy. So if you want it to rip like bread dough, if you want it to have a bit of more of a realistic texture, don't add in this much lotion. But if you want it to be stretchy like a slime and not super realistic texture, just keep adding in lotion every time it gets stiff. So we're going to have to pick up all the cornstarch after this. I think that's enough lotion, so I'm just going to keep this here.
Yeah, it's a little sticky, so cornstarch is needed.
Make sure it's not too sticky, but you want it to be a little sticky so that it can hold all the cornstarch you're putting into it.
Okay, and this is what the finished product should look like. It should be...
Let me clean up all the cornstarch with this slime.
Some of it has lotion mixed into it, so I'm going to have to get a wet rag.
Yeah.
I'll get a wet rag.
Yeah, make sure you don't mix the lotion with the cornstarch.
Otherwise, it's going to clump to your work surface.
But yeah, this is a really easy way to make nothing out of nothing. So,
well, something out of a really, really thick slime.
Not thick, overactivated.
An overactivated, tough, tough, like rubbery slime.
And you also want to add some water into it at first when you're making the slime.
You just want to add lotion and toothpaste to deactivate it if your slime has been originally overactivated.
Angie, can you hold the camera?
Oh yeah, I got you.
I'm going to do an ASMR.
So, fam.
That is how to make bread dough slime.
So we are going to do an ASMR, quick ASMR of this.
cuts kind of like bread dough too.
Doesn't rise like bread dough, but still.
Yeah, because you can't really put it in the oven.
And warning guys, don't eat this. This is not actual
This
bread
is
dough.
not actual bread dough. It's not actually edible.
As
for all-
confusing as it may seem, this is not edible.
Yeah, this has borax and glue in it, and toothpaste and lotion,
If
which
you eat this,
are
you know
all-
what'll happen.
which are all not edible. And if someone accidentally eats it or something, call the poison control center immediately.
Borax is not delicious.
Borax is not healthy.
If you want to eat something, eat these pickles.
Yeah, or something like that.
Or these chips.
Yeah.
Or this potato salad. Or this banana that my mom put in a plastic bag.
But
But don't chug this imitation vanilla.
So should we scent this vanilla?
It's already got a little bit of mint.
I don't really like the smell.
Oh, it's just a fly. It's just a fly.
Okay.
Let's add some vanilla. Let's add vanilla.
Are you sure it's just a fly? It looks like a. Oh, that is just a fly.
Okay, it's just a fruit fly.
Okay, come on, guy. Come on, guy. Let's get out of the kitchen. All right, so let's add a bit of vanilla. And I'm warning you guys, imitation vanilla might discolor your slime.
Well,
and it's a very,
But
very
regular vanilla is like 10 times stronger, so I wouldn't suggest putting too much, like we did kind of here.
Yeah, this is,
Just like gently dip that in.
this is actually imitation vanilla.
So it has a less strong scent to it, which makes it a lot better. Because strong scented slimes can affect certain people.
Yeah, like if
Certain people don't like strong scents, so I wouldn't suggest adding too much.
Yeah, but I can't really smell the vanilla yet, even though I've added like a ton. Hey,
Yeah, because this
the,
is
the
imitation.
vanilla's over here, not not over there. The vanilla's over here. So this slime slightly resembles a butter slime.
Except it just has a more... It just rips differently and spreads more like bread dough.
It's starting to smell a little like vanilla, but it might need some more.
I have almond extract.
Does that smell sweet like vanilla?
Not really. It smells like almonds.
Okay.
It smells like almonds.
We should
Oh,
have like
That smells nice.
we should make like a nut themed slime if we're gonna scent it almonds.
Yeah, like a crunchy nut themed slime.
I'll do a tutorial on that later, guys.
So yeah, this is our tutorial on how to make bread slimes. Add any additives you want after making this. So yeah.
Wait, let me do a little swirl with this. And then
And just so you know, the person who made this is
Sunnyside Studio,
and
who
I
will be
did not-
coming back on a different name later in the year.
because her channel got mysteriously demonetized for
And
some
I
reason. We
and I
know.
don't want to be called by Sunnyside Studio anymore. Except I'm gonna call myself that until I figure out a new name for myself when my new YouTube channel comes later, maybe in like October, somewhere around that time.
So on my channel, our Shangri-La, I think you just showed my face. I did.
Okay.
Okay. But anyways, while she is currently in the process of getting a new channel, I will be helping her upload videos since she is currently unavailable to do it on her own channel.
Yeah, so, and also we might get a YouTube channel together, like a second channel that we can upload videos, like, every Saturday or so. So that might happen sometime in the future. So, thank you for watching, guys. We love you all so much. Bye.
Bye, YouTube!